Let's see if we can let it play out. I didn't want to record this, but let's see what can be done. And the reason why I don't want to record whenever I trade is because when I explain things, when I see things happening, I'm easily getting caught out of my. I get carried away. Then I no longer play my setups. So let's see for today if I can be able to do what's supposed to be done. If it gives us a chance without a stop loss, it close below this, it disrespect this fair value gap right here. That will be an opportunity to get out earlier. But if it just deal the little bit of a mohawk, we can allow that. 5 seconds, 4 seconds left. Let's see the close. Wow. I don't like the way this closed right there. I might as well get out of this and save the trade. But I want to go out whenever the candle is pushing higher. Truly, I don't like this right here. Automatically for me, if I'm trading normal account, not this challenge accounts or funded accounts, I will reduce my risk right here. But I'm just using one contract, so I will have to suffer it, I guess. We still respected that other block right there, but I don't like what price did there. 50% the min threshold. I don't like what price did here. I was favoring it to respect this fair value gap and push high. So for me, this is still low probability. I know with a fair value gap it can play out, but for me, this is a low probability trade. If it gives me a pullback without the hitting of the stop loss, I'll try to see what I can do, how I manage it. So we have a fair value gap right here. It will be great if it tries to treat this as a reaper. Guys, you see, this is the reason why I don't like to talk whenever I take live trades. This is the reason why I'm using annotations. So we are respecting this one. I might I might let this trade go away. It's enough doing that for me. I was just expecting it just to push high and high. So we still respecting, we gave them mohawk and we still respecting this. So this is an invasion fair value gap. Potentially so. There's a potential invasion fair value gap for me. And the tip of the day, guys, $50,000 challenge on a TopStep, guys. It's not, for me, it's not favorable. Reason being is because this is the lowest you can get. Look at the stop loss is so tight. And look at the amount. I'm risking around 240 something. So I cannot manage and risk lesser than this. So for me, it's not favorable $50 challenge. At least if we can close above this, we can have candles closing above that. That would be great. But now we're treating it like an inversion fair value gap because we respect the high. Only if we can disrespect it, violate it to the top, I would still know that you are going to the high, and I don't like the way the candle started off like this. I like to see the wick first because I know the second half of the candle after 30 seconds will play with the low. So if you don't trust your setup, this is the right time to leave the trade right here. Unless if it's pushing high and it's gonna push very, very high, deny the market to come back low here. But this kind of a candle, it takes you back to candlestick anatomy, seeing it live happening. This still respecting the inversion fair value gap for me. Unless if it closes above. For me, this is still an inversion fair value gap, you see. So, and for inversion fair value gap to work, we must take this low right here, and that's where our stop loss is. So, right there, let's see the low. 512, let's see, 515, I mean, let's see the low, 516. We haven't took the low right there. You see this one, the way it started, unlike this candle right here. This is a proof that this candle can continue going down because it has the wick. And this was the proof that this candle was going to fail because it didn't have the wick. Candlesticks anatomy. So let me just suffer this low right here. Reason being, I'm just protecting here. I'm risking extra, maybe $30 or $20. It's fine. But anything beyond this, I'm okay, I'm fine. Let the trade do what it does. It's just one of those, but let's wait and see. It started off on the upper side, so the second half is gonna be the downside, or unless the continuation. Now it's giving us a retest. Look at that retest of inversion fair value gap right there. So the close is going to determine what kind of this is right there. So I want to see candles respecting this area right here. The first half is low, convincing. Then we watch the second half. What will the price do? Now I no longer trust this to use this anymore. So anything that goes my way right here, I might take it and call it a day because the trade is not playing my way. And you must be willing to do such things, guys. And sometimes you will go out and it will play out, but it's not part of your setups. I don't like the way the sell side is being built right here. if it was the personal account, at least you would know that you would reduce the lot size. Right here, you would know that you would have to protect certain, you would have to protect, secure the back. I'll see whether I take it out here. Or I wait. Only the candle, when it comes here, it will tell me what should I do. Plus we have an order block right here, that little candle right there. So 1:1 right there, it should be me. So I'm just watching how we react there. Then that's it. Close. So guys, the thing is that I don't, you see now it's running. Then you ask yourself, how are you going to feel right here? Well, I was in content with that. I just closed. The reason why I closed this is when I saw, let me walk you through. The reason why I closed it here, we have a fair value gap right here. I have this fair value gap, which is my entry. I no longer trust at this point. And this was a TP right there. The TP was hit right there. It was going to be 1:3. So around 720, I guess. So how much did we bring here? Wow, now we ran into a 1,000 extra, and we've hit the objective. I cannot say that we hit the objectives, but as I was explaining before, guys, sorry to lose you on this one. This is a main entry, another second entry right here. I couldn't let that one happen. So as I was saying, guys, sorry boy, as I was saying then, I couldn't risk that much, because one contract for me, it was just that I couldn't even secure, take half of the trade in and secure anything here. So this is what I did, and guys, this is what we have right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, but the main TP is this one right here, because there's a buy side liquidity that you are seeing, or maybe trying to visit other areas there. But without wasting any time, let's save time, guys. See you on the next video.